Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Honda Chris at Randy Kuehl Honda in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. And right now we're sitting inside a brand new Honda Pilot that's going to have the 12.3-inch touch screen. In this video, I'll show you guys how to import a photo from a flash drive onto the touch screen, okay? It's easy. Now, just a little quick note, it's a USB-C plug-in, but if you have a USB flash drive, just get an adapter like I have. It'll work just fine. Plug it into the first slot right there. Bang. Then on the touch screen, we're at the home page right now. We're going to scroll to the third page. Do you see clock? Select clock. Right now, I already have a custom one up there with some old photos. We're going to hit clock face. Add more. We're going to select one. Select. Add. Perfect. Now let's say I got a whole bunch of these on there. Hit save. So now when I hit clock, bang, it's right up there. Quick and easy. To delete these is also quick and easy. Just go to menu, go to clock face, select what you want there, hit save. Then you got delete files. You can delete all of them from that point, or you can select from there, okay? So there we go. Quick and easy, guys.